welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss how to apply different properties in related to fonts for the CSS element. So many number of properties are available. Among them, the most commonly used properties for setting the fonts are the first one, font family. This property, what is the purpose of property? To change the face of the font. Face of the font means, suppose I written the text in Times New Roman. If you want, you can change to Vardhana. If you want, you can change to Calibri. So to change the face of the font, we are using the property font family. Font style. It is used for to make the font as either italic font or oblique. So the style of the font we are typing. Next to font variant. So simply to create small caps. Suppose I written a text in small letters. If you want, you can convert the entire text into uppercase. Font weight. Weight in the sense the brightness of the text we are written. Suppose the bold means the completely bold text. For example, I given 500 pixel. This much of color, this much of lightweight appears. Size. So size of the font, either 10 pixel, 20 pixel, 30 pixel. To understand clearly, I will explain with one example. Move to the example. First, create one style tag. Okay. Within the style tag, write down any one tag that we want to apply. For example, here, first I discussed font size. What is the font size? I given 30 pixel. Now in the body tag, write down the P tag. Welcome to CSS. Now this font size 30 pixel is applied to paragraph tag. 30 pixel is applied to paragraph tag. For example, I have H1 tag. Welcome to heading. Here just for understanding, welcome to paragraph. Now one more is there. Welcome to bold. Just for understanding, I written 3. Now observe the font to size 30 pixel is applied to only paragraph tag. Now copy the path. See, only welcome to paragraph. This is applied. This is the regular text. This is welcome to heading. If you have any doubt, change. Converted into 50 pixel. Now observe this is 30 pixel. Now I am refreshing. Are you observe this is 50 pixel? You already know this is not only the way to apply style sheet. Here if you written like this, in the entire web page where P appear, the property is applies to all the P tags. Or else if you want to apply for individual element, you can write like this, font family or font size 50 pixel. Like this, you can apply. See, 50 pixel. Not only this, you can apply any combination. You already learned setting the background. Suppose background color red. You can apply multiple combinations. See this one? I think clear? This is the font size. Now, the next two we are moving into font family. Here you can give any type. For example, I am given this one. These are the different types. I am using only one combination. Now for the P tag, this Vardhana is applied. And observe carefully, the second and third one is not modified. Only the Vardhana is applied for paragraph tag. Now font to family is also clear. Next we are moving to font weight. Here see, you can give different sizes. That is the lightness of the font. Or else if you given bold, the text is in bold. Refresh. Observe this welcome to paragraph is in bold color. Welcome to paragraph is in bold color. Now font weight is completed. Now font style. Here you can give any style. Italic, normal, oblique. Suppose first I will give italic. Now check this welcome to paragraph converted into italic. Yes or not? It is converted into italic. Not only this, if you want oblique, it is converted into oblique. Refresh. Observe. Clear? Now, just for your understanding, regularly we are using italic. I am using this one. Font variant. So what is the font variant? Suppose if you want to use normal, refresh, reload. So normal, there is no change. Assume instead of normal, if I use small cap, now observe here the entire text is in lower case. Now I am refreshing and you observe the entire text converted into uppercase. You got the point? This is small caps, capital letter. The text is converted into capital letters. So these are some of the important properties related to fonts. Okay, that's the end of today's session. Thank you.